Hey Pectus Warrior, so do you have pectus and it's getting you down and you want to make a change? You want to change your body, become confident in your body, build some muscle and change the way you look? Well, I have an awesome offer for you. So if you're stuck at home right now with coronavirus and you don't have access to a gym and you're thinking your body looks bad, you want to change it, you want to change your pectus, you want to make your indent look less prominent, you want to build an impressive, lean, muscular physique, you want abs rather than the pot belly and the rib flare, then I have an awesome offer for you. So I've been working super hard to put this together and it's finally live, so I'm super psyched to announce it to you. So basically what I've done is I've created a program for Pectus Excavatum that you can run at home. There's two different programs within this program. One is a bodyweight only program, so if you do not have any equipment at home, this is an awesome exercise program that you can follow indefinitely until gyms open. The other is a program that requires dumbbells, a bench, and a resistance band. So if you can get that equipment, then you're set. This is going to be awesome. I've been coaching people with pectus for 5 years now, so I know what works. I know what exercises will induce change to your pectus to make your pectus appearance look better. I have pectus. I transformed my pectus and I've transformed hundreds of my clients. So now it's time for you to do it and you can start at home. The beautiful thing about this is a lot of people are scared to join a gym and start training because they lack that confidence. They don't want to be the skinny guy in the gym. Well, we can start at home now and build foundations, and then when gyms reopen, you can absolutely smash it. So how this program has been designed is to set you up with the foundations, to give you an education about nutrition for building muscle. It's extremely important. To give you a stretching regime. If you've watched my videos, you should know how important stretching is for pectus. And to give you a workout regime that mostly involves body weight or dumbbells, so you can do it at home, and these exercises are going to change your pectus. You're going to build pec muscles in and around the indent to disguise it. You're going to build your back for the posture. You're going to build a six-pack when you pair your ab training with nutrition. You're going to completely transform your body. And the best part about it, guys, is it is free indefinitely until gyms open, until this whole coronavirus situation calms down. So you can get started on your training, and then once gyms open, then you'll start the program that you're paying for. So it's a really cool offer. If you're interested in it, it'll be the first link in description. I'm so psyched on this. I think you guys will love it. I think you're gonna get amazing transformations. And my goal with this whole project is to have at least 20 to 50 of you guys sign up now whilst this whole coronavirus situation is going on. And then you get started at home, and then we all start the project at the same time, because one of the things that's included, not only is this programming, you're going to get a lot more than that. One of the things that's included is we have group calls and we make a community group. And so if you all start at the same time once gyms open, it's going to be so cool. You'll be like, yeah, this is how week 1 was, and we'll have group calls and we'll discuss everything. You're going to make friends, you're going to form part of a community, and there's honestly a lot to this. It's not just a workout program. This is a program designed to fix Pectus Excavatum. That is the outcome of this. That's what you're signing up for. You will learn everything you need to know to fix your pectus. So if you've been wanting to make a change, you're at home and you think it's time to do something, then this is seriously the offer for you. I couldn't think of a better thing for you, and I'm psyched to be presenting this to you, and I hope you sign up. So it will be the first link in description. I'm looking forward to being your coach, and I can't wait to see your results. And yeah, honestly, thanks so much for the support. I hope you're super psyched and ready to transform your body and finally fix your pectus and be confident with it.
Signing up to PectusPT has been life-changing.
Starting this program has been one of the best decisions of my life.
Signing up for PectusPT.com was a great experience. I gained a lot of muscle and strength, and now I'm really confident about my body.
I made progress so fast. In only 3 months, I gained 13 kg of lean muscles.
Riley's workout program has changed my life in many aspects. Not only do I have more strength, but I have more confidence as well.